Hey guys, welcome to Mama Tries. And so today what I'm doing is painting the interior of the house. So I did the first coat on the room on top and the bathroom, and I did it with a brush. Now I don't really care for the brush, and it was only because we couldn't find the roller. Now that I found the roller, I'm going to definitely do the next paint colors with the rollers and try to do the most I can do on the interior of the house to make it look nice and neat. Obviously, I'll still need the brush for some of the little edges and stuff like that, but for the main part of the wall, I'm going to definitely use the roller. It took forever just to get that first coat, and what's happening is it's drying in a matte finish. So what I was thinking of doing is, once I got all the paint down, that it's solid, it's nice, it's perfect, it's good, I was going to cover the window trims and the doors and stuff that I don't want sprayed on, take this thing outside and spray it with a clear coat a few times. So I have here Krylon's Color Max Acrylic Crystal Clear with Durable Max Technology. Says it dries within 10 minutes. So I'm going to use this to put the clear coat on it outside, because it's going to make real smell. And I figured maybe when I'm ready for this, I'll do maybe 2, maybe 3 coats of the clear coat, just so that I have like that shinier finish. I don't need it high gloss like I did the floors, but I do need that semi-gloss color look. So as you can see, I've already taped off the floor so that way I don't get any paint on it. I know I got it on with the white, but I wiped it up pretty quickly, and I was like, you know what, instead of having to do that, I'm just going to cover the floors. So I got painter's tape, and this is just parchment paper. I figured I'll use this, and since the tape does not stick to it properly, I could always reuse the parchment paper for other projects and stuff like that, or maybe use it for the other house when I go to paint that. So I'm going to set you guys up so you guys can see this for a little bit. I'm not going to paint the whole interior with you guys watching, but I mean, you can get the idea. And I'm just going to record a little bit for you guys. I know this is going to be a super short video, only because it's painting. It's not really much that you can do otherwise with paint on the interior. I think that's it for this video. Yeah, let's get started. Up here I'm gonna have to use the brush because it's just in that weird angle. I don't think I can use the roller for it. So the color that I'm using up in the top part up there is Cloudless. So, and I think I got this from Walmart. By the way, nothing here is sponsored by anybody. So if I mention a product, it's not sponsored. It's just what I used. I'm just letting you guys know, just in case you like that particular color, you like that thing, you can use it yourself. These rollers, I just get them real cheap from Walmart. We have these extra ones that are from Home Depot, and yeah, it's pretty simple, straightforward. By the way, if you just so happen to hear they're watching over there, my friend's daughter has never seen the original Addams Family from 1964, and my boys have, only because I kind of exposed them to a lot of old movies and stuff like that, things that I grew up seeing on TV. Maybe they came out before my time, but I still watched them when I was younger because I used to love watching black and white TV shows. I Love Lucy, Addams Family. There was this one, I can't remember. Can't remember what the show was called, but it was these two guys. One was like really silly and goofy. The other guy was always angry and stuff like that, and they had their two wives, and it always took place in this kitchen. I forget the name of the show. Right now I have a brain block. It's the name of the show. Newlyweds? No. Maybe. I don't know. But I used to watch that. I used to watch Green Acres, things like that. I used to watch all of that when I was younger, so I exposed my kids to that kind of thing. So right now I'm showing my friend's daughter because her and I kind of have this thing with the Addams Family, and I'm like obsessed with Tim Burton type stuff, and she does drawings and stuff like that, so we kind of have like that little thing that's similar. So if you hear the Addams Family in the background, that's what's going on. Again, not sponsoring the Addams Family, I'm just saying. Alright. Color is pale green from Plaid, by the way. Now what I'm doing in this room is going to be vanilla ice cream, and then on this floor it's going to be antique parchment. what is it, the vanilla. It kind of has like that creamy yellow color, so that's kind of nice. Take a look at the green and the blue. It's pretty good. I'm going to be working on the antique parchment. I just have to go and wash all my brushes and stuff. That roller, it just really didn't work. I thought, in my head, I don't know why, I thought it was going to work out a lot better than it did. But, it's alright. Paintbrush it is. So, I'm going to do all this, and I will get back to you guys when it's done so you guys can see what's going on. Alright. Okay, so here we are. This is, let's see if I can get flash on here. Whoops. Okay, so this is kind of like a yellowish color. Did all the sides. Here is this one. I just finished this, and this one's more white. It's more of a parchment. So it's kind of like an off-white, as you can see from the ceiling in comparison between the ceiling and the wall. It's kind of like an off-white. But the technical term is parchment, you know. So I did the stairs in parchment, I did the railing in parchment, everything. This one I left the stairs white, but painted this one because this, you can't see it, number one, and number two, I kind of like the contrastiness of that. So now I just have to wait for the green to dry to add a third coat, because you can kind of see that it's a little bit streaky. I'm going to do a third coat of that, and I'm going to have to do a second coat of the parchment. But this yellow is perfect. I will have to do the door again with the white, only because you can see the stains there, before I start doing the doors on the outside with the red. Now, let me see if I can get down here. I did get underneath the stairs with the parchment. Oops, I just got some on my camera. So I did do under there. Looks really nice. And yeah. Okay, so that's it for that. I guess what's next up after the painting of the inside is painting of the trims, and when we can do the platform and the patio area in the front. And I gotta do some touch-ups of white on the ceilings of this. And then all we have left is to install every bathroom fixture and kitchen fixture and the lighting. And then we're done with this dollhouse. So, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification bell so you can get notified when I post up new videos. I try to post up at least once a week with some new thing that's happening for you guys, whether it be craft things or with this dollhouse. So just keep your eyes peeled on that. And yeah, alright. I'm hot, I'm tired, I need to lay down. Bye. See ya.